Time now for Better Money and Joel Johnson. Today, we are talking about something you may not realize is actually affecting the markets. Joel is a certified financial planner and managing partner at Johnson Brunetti. And let's just talk about first, we've got something about high-frequency computer trading. Can we talk about what that is first?
Yeah, it's interesting because people have probably heard about this. The great financial author Michael Lewis wrote a book called Flash Boys about how us as individual investors are being affected by people that run these super fast computerized trading shops.
Okay.
And there's a lot of debate here, Carol, whether that's good or bad, but I just want to explain it to people because some people hear, oh, computers are taking over Wall Street, they're causing big fluctuations in the market, which is true. But let's break this down so everybody understands what we're talking about.
All
so,
right.
Kara, hold up your sign. You are in Chicago.
Okay.
And you're going to place an order to buy 1,000 shares of Amazon stock.
Okay.
Which
Ooh,
is a pretty big order. Yeah, that's like, what is that, $120,000 trade. So you're going to place an order that's got to go to the New York Stock Exchange, and you're going to buy 1,000 shares of Amazon stock. Now, here's what happens. Because my computers are faster than you as an individual or your computers, because I've got super fast computers, I am sitting in a server room in New Jersey, and I can get to the New York Stock Exchange faster than you can because of the amount of time it takes a computer signal to get from one place to the other. You got that so far?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's happening is you're placing your order for 1,000 shares of Amazon. I see that order coming through. You'll get about 10 shares at the price you want. I'm going to buy the other 990 shares, resell them to you a split second later. This is happening so fast we don't even know it, for about 1 or 2 cents than you would have had to pay if I didn't exist. You got that?
These computer people are making money on us.
They're making a ton of money, and it's all automated, and it's so fast it makes a difference whether you're in Chicago or whether in your New Jersey, a little bit closer to the New York Stock Exchange.
So the individual can't win.
The individual can't win. They're making about a penny to 2 pennies a share, but millions and millions and millions of times a day. So what's happening is when you buy, you're paying a little bit more than you would if I didn't exist.
Okay.
And you're getting a little bit less when you sell. Now, there's debate.
Yeah.
Whether this is good or bad, because it's creating liquidity in the markets. But when these computers and the computer programs get volatility in the market, sometimes they can overemphasize sells, overemphasize buys, and cause a lot of problems.
So we get how some of these strategies are hurting investors. I mean, what do we do about it? What's your advice to people?
You do nothing. You just be educated. Because some people hear about this and go, I'm never going to buy another stock, or I'm never going to buy another mutual fund, or everybody's getting... It's just have your expectations proper. Us as individual investors are never going to get the same prices that the huge Wall Street firms are and these guys running these computer training shops get. So just accept that. Don't get too hyped when you read about it in the news, and just do your job.
We're still going to make money.
You're still going to make money.
Amazon's still a good stock.
Amazon's, well, depending on your situation.
Okay.
I can't really tell you to buy it, but
Yeah.
Amazon's still a good stock. But just understand, so that when you read these news articles about computer controls taking over the market and so on, you don't get all worried about your retirement. Stay on track, save for your retirement.
Okay, so if you have questions about this or other matters, email Joel and his team at bettermoney@wfsb.com. They will take your money questions.
Thanks, Kara.
Thank you, Joel. That's Better Money.